Hey Cricut lovers, today I'll be showing you how to make a custom cup using Cricut Maker 3. The materials you will need for this project will be Tech Wrap permanent vinyl, holographic laminating sheets, and printable sticker paper. The first step is putting a sticker paper into your printer. I already have a design. I sent it into my printer. I then placed my holographic laminated sheet over my design. Slow and gently place it down and use a squeegee to release any bubbles from underneath. You can use any sort of card to do this.
Enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby.
Once you're done, you place it into your mat and into your Cricut machine. This project took about 35 minutes to complete.
The fame, the bitches that's hating, they sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you feel your mind? Must be a lot going on.
Okay, once that's done, I peel the extra paper and place my transfer tape over my design to pick it up and place it to the side for a later use.
Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me the tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me?
Now on to the next design, which is my permanent vinyl. With this design, my cut settings were on washi tape. The reason why I used washi tape was because I'm cutting the design with fine lines. This prevents any hard pressure that can possibly mess up my design. I cut the extra vinyl and peeled the design slowly and careful. I did the same with the purple vinyl, same cut setting. Use your transfer tape on all the designs, including your permanent vinyl, to pick it up. Sorry for the skip, my camera didn't record the part where I placed the designs onto my cup. All you have to do is align your design on your cup and you're all done. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Bye Cricut lovers!